Today we'll talk about how can you turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your Wayfair app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on account down here. So when you click on account, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on updates. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just come here to deal of the day and you click in this sign or this color. So the like you see color it's gone. That's mean deal of the day it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.